Prepare your taste buds because today it's loaded twice baked potatoes and they're gonna ruin your life. Let's go. What's going on, everybody? My name is Farnum and you are now watching Simple Seasoning here on More Seasoning. So you wanna know how to make a baked potato. Yeah. I see you watching this video. That's what we're here for. On Simple Seasoning, it's all about giving you the knowledge and the foundation in the kitchen in order to be a great chef. I don't know what this is all about, but that's what we're doing here today. Baked potatoes, we've all eaten them, we all know them, we all love them. You might not know how to make them, and I didn't for most of my life, but I did learn a few years ago. It is incredibly easy. You're just gonna need a few ingredients, and here's what they are. So the beauty of a baked potato is that you could do whatever the hell you want to it, but we are doing a classic twice baked potato here, so we're gonna go with the classic ingredients. Here we've got some unsalted butter, we've got a block of cheddar, a block of Colby Jack cheese, then we got some bacon, some smoked paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, a russet potato. Listen, you can use whatever potato you want. I suggest use a russet though, highly starchy, nice and fluffy, perfect for a baked potato. We got some chives, some green onion, and everybody's favorite part of a baked potato, some damn sour cream. So we got 2 potatoes. Listen, you could do it one way or the other. In the oven, baked 1 hour. It is going to take a bit of time, but you can do a multiple at the same time, which makes it real easy for cooking for a family. Or you can do it in the microwave for just 10 to 12 minutes. Super simple. I'm gonna show you how to do both, and we'll start with the microwave baked potato. We're gonna wash it, then we're gonna dry it off, then we're gonna poke it with holes with a fork, then we're gonna stick it in the microwave, 5 minutes, rotate, another 5 minutes, pull it out, and voila, you have a cooked baked potato. Okay, so for our baked potato, it's gonna be similar but different. So again, we're gonna wash this off and then we're gonna dry it with a paper towel, and of course we're gonna hit it with our fork. But then once you've pricked your potato, we're gonna roll out the silver carpet. First thing you're gonna do, put your potato in the middle of the foil, and then we're just gonna hit it with a little coat of olive oil, and then we're just gonna rub it all in. We're gonna moisturize this potato. Once you got your spud all lubed up, then we're gonna take a nice generous pinch of salt, and we're just gonna make sure that we get salt all over this potato. All right, now I know a lot of you are probably better at rolling shit up than I am out there, but all you're gonna do is take the sides. We're gonna fold it in on the potato, and then we're just gonna roll this guy up just like that. As you can see, I've got my mic in hand, no Jackson. Check it out. So this is a perfectly prepared baked potato. I'm not gonna make you guys wait an hour to see. I've actually pre-prepared some. Check it out. We're gonna walk with me real quick. So here we go over here. I feel like Bob Barker right here on The Price is Right. And we're just gonna open this up and give you a little, oh my gosh. That's the olive oil, but that's normal. Don't freak out. Boom. So we got our baked potatoes in there. I'm gonna shove this guy in there. And in 14 minutes, I'll have something for you. All right, it's time for the prep ski. Yes, that's right, prep work. We're gonna start with our veggies. We got our green onion. All we're gonna do is lay these down. We're going to thinly slice about 1/4 cup's worth. Scoop it up into the mother bowl. Next, we got a mean green garnish machine. Yes, that is our chives right there. All we're gonna do is grab 5 or 6 of these guys, fold them in half, and then thinly slice them, scoop them up into the bowl. Next, grab you some turkey, beef, or pork bacon. All we're gonna do is fry this up. We're gonna throw it on a cool pan, and we're gonna warm it up on a medium-high heat. Wait till that fat is fully rendered. Go ahead and give it a flip about halfway through. Looking perfect. Dry them off on some paper towels. Then we're gonna chop it up into bite-sized pieces, scoop them up into the bowl. All right, next it's time to knock a couple blocks. We're gonna take our medium cheddar, and then we are just going to shred this up. We're gonna do about half of the block, viola, and then with it still under there, we're just gonna do our Colby Jack as well. And that should be enough melty cheese for us today. Let's go ahead and unwrap this. It is still going to be very hot. Do not sleep. Look at that. I mean, it's steaming like a damn sauna. Now, we got it on a flat side. All we're gonna do is we're going to just take the top layer off like so. And what we're gonna do from here, we're gonna go in here, and we're just going to start scooping out all of the guts for this potato. All right, so this is what your potato should look like once you've got everything scooped out. It should look like a shoe for somebody with no toes, right? A little hobbit shoe, right? At this point, I'm just gonna do it with the rest of them, and then we'll get to the mixing. All right, so as you can see, we got 3 hobbit shoes here and a bowl full of potato guts. What I'm gonna do is grab a masher, and I'm gonna use a full stick, because why not? So we got a full stick, and I'm just gonna go ahead and mash this lightly. All right, as you can see, we've got most of our ingredients here. Just divide this by 1 if you're making 1 baked potato, and I'm just gonna kind of eyeball it and taste as I go, and I'll get it how I like it. So I'm gonna start off with a couple big pinches of salt since we got 3 potatoes in here. Then we're gonna go with a little bit of onion powder. We'll do about a teaspoon. Then we're going teaspoon of some garlic powder, about a teaspoon and a half of some smoked paprika. Now we're going in with some green onion, because we want those oils from the onion to kind of bake back in there. Then we're gonna do a couple pinches of some bacon. We want that cheese to melt in there. We want some cheesy mashed potatoes in the core of those Hobbit shoes. And then I like it to be nice and creamy and smooth, so I'm gonna do a couple heaping tablespoons of some sour cream, and I'm just gonna fold everything in. All right, what we have right here is just an aromatic thing of beauty. We're gonna do a taste test to make sure we don't need any more salt or seasoning. That is fire. All right, all we have to do at this point, we're just gonna shove all of our stuffing back into our Hobbit shoes, AKA potato skins, and then we're just gonna cover it with cheese, just like this. Let's go. All right, so as you can see, we've got our potato stuff. We broke all the dense potato guts apart. So as you can see, we have more than we started with, what it seems like, plus all the extra fillings that we did. They're just overflowing over the top. Now we gotta throw it back into the oven, but before we do, all right, now we're just gonna go in and we're gonna top these potatoes with a high mountain of cheese. Do you see this? This is insane. I'm just gonna do this in real time, real quick, so you guys can see how to just finish this with the toppings. So the first thing I like to do, a nice dollop sour cream right on top, just like that. Then we're just gonna hit this with a little bit of bacon, and then we finish it off with a little chive. I'm in the deepest lunge that I've ever done in my entire life, but this looks amazing. Let's hit the taste test, come on. Why are we gonna waste any time? Let's get it. 3, 2, 1. My taste buds have just been assaulted. Insulted? No. Assaulted? Yes. Flavor, city, every single bite. There's like 5 things that I could say about this, and it's damn. This is like me in 9th grade. It's just stupid. So Jacqueline, Jamari, and myself just absolutely bodied those 3 potatoes. It was a religious experience. My taste buds were revived. Jesus done sprayed some holy water on them, and that was insane. That's all I can say. Seriously, that was incredible. Listen, I urge you to make those at home. If you don't, you're crazy or allergic potatoes. It's one or the other. There's no in between. If you're watching still, I appreciate it. Please scroll down, hit the like and subscribe button, drop a comment below, and let me know. Are you a twice baked potato contender? Pretender? I don't know. That was so good, I don't even know what else to say. I love y'all. My name's Farnum. This is More Seasoning, Simple Seasoning. We're out.